I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to update your security settings on Huntington Bank, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Huntington Bank website or open the mobile app and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to security settings. Once logged in, find the Settings or Profiles section, usually located in the menu. Look for the Security Settings option. Step 3. Update password. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Look for the two-factor authentication option and toggle it on. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a verification code sent to your phone. Quick tip: make sure your phone number is up to date in your profile to receive the verification codes without issues. Step 5. Review account activity. Check the account activity section to monitor any recent transactions or changes. This helps ensure there are no unauthorized actions. By following these steps, you can enhance your security settings and keep your Huntington Bank account safe. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.